Welcome back to Tech Notes. If you just unboxed your LG Smart TV and you're staring at sub-screens wondering what actually matters, relax. This video is not about perfect setting or deep tuning, it's about getting your TV ready for day one, so you can sit back and start using it without second-guessing anything. Let's get started. When you turn the TV on for the first time, it would take some time more than usual, but it ain't like this all the time, so just don't worry. Okay, here we go. Just press the middle button on your remote to continue. Actually, we can move on with the setup using phone, but it's just easier on the TV. You will be asked to choose your language or region, pick what applies to you and move on. Nothing here is permanent. Next is internet connection. Wi-Fi or Ethernet both work fine for now. Just plug your cable, or if you're not sure, Wi-Fi is perfectly okay for day one. Now pick your network and type your password. Oh, using this keyboard always consumes time. Here we go. Just skip user analysis. It's all about user behavior, which no one of us usually wants to share. Here pick what applies to you. And you should best go for TV and set-top box together. TV type is about the way you install your TV, and this one is actually important because it can adjust the way the sound of your TV goes. And as you can see, mine is wall mounted. As for program tuning, you have the option to select antenna or cable, but usually we go for satellite. Also, you can select all if you have the gear. Now review your satellite settings and select the configuration that applies to you, then continue. Here you can choose tuning options and go for a program search. Anyways, I don't have my satellite setup at the moment, so no programs would show up for me. So I will just skip it for now. But you will have yours coming with no problems. Universal control is about enabling your remote to control any device hooked to the TV. So if you have a console or a sound system, this might come in handy. Okay, we just finished our first use. Now let's hop into home screen. This is the home screen. For now, think of it as 3 simple actions. Open an app from the apps row down here. We already have some pre-installed apps, Netflix, YouTube, and others as you can see. Or switch to an HDMI device from this big tile here. Also, you can search Open Settings or log into your LG account from the top right corner up here. Okay, now we go get some new apps. Open LG Content Store from the apps icon. Here you will find many useful apps and gadgets. Let's download something. Maybe Twitch. Now press install. Okay, we are required to log in to our LG account and we have 3 options to do so. Pick whatever applies to you. I will just skip this. Now it's installing. This only takes a second. Press the home button to get back to home screen. Now we have the app right here at the end. And it works just fine. Now let's make the picture look good without touching anything complicated. Go for quick access settings by pressing the settings button once. The first option is picture mode. On early days you would usually be watching some movies, so cinema mode would be our guy here. While if you just want it balanced, you better stick with standard. Okay, as for sound mode, which is the second option on this list, this would be simple, cause you just need to set this to AI sound, which would always use the best sound mode for whatever media you are playing. There is only one more thing we need to do now. Just go for the 3 dots to access full settings menu. Now go down to support. Then software updates. Check for updates and enable audio updates. This would ensure that the system would always get latest versions. At this point, your TV is ready. Apps open, picture looks good, sound works, and the remote makes sense. If everything here feels fine, stop. You have done enough for day one. Don't worry about advanced tuning, hidden features, or performance tweaks yet. When you are ready, I have separate videos for picture tuning, sound settings, hidden features, and streaming fixes. For now, enjoy your TV, and I will see you on the next one.